ke mia ti manok amero achak ke dao palato kilotero palato wa maro bin kan.
I want to invite the wife of the deceased and the children to come here.
Ke mege palato
And
mege palato
the brothers
bin kan demo yo cha pete mabe.
The brothers, the sisters-in-laws, please come. Let's hurry.
Kahamo kere mi agoro atamo pisha marat tabre kamayire te yene aishu yelchi wakdaro konene wakpe wachwal cha madro wakwa nyop yo enini wakula cha.
For the clan members, you can stand up and raise your hand so that we see you. We cannot welcome everyone here. Let's do it faster for the clan members. They are there raising their hands.
Okay.
Dear mourners, the one you see in front here, this is a clan Agoro, as the head of the family said. Thank you. That is called Omia Mika Oyire.
And did Kinyiman Maloni at all call upon foil.
He is a elder brother who followed our teacher.
And Wara Patrick Lumumba.
This is Patrick Lumumba.
And then Agoro Anyuan.
He's also from the same clan, Agoro Anyuan.
Being Opio John Bosco Omorowero ni Buru.
This is Opio John Bosco Omorowero ni Buru.
Adong Esther Daro Paliale Lokoya.
This is Adong Esther, the wife of the deceased Lokoya.
Martina Daro Paliale Ubu.
This is the wife of the late Obu.
Anying Margaret, Mrs. Omia Meka Uyire.
Margaret, the wife to Omia Oyire.
Sabina Okelo, Enaya Tonga anything already.
This is Sabina Okelo, their husband is here. This is the head of the home, retired teacher Charles Okelo.
Lukumu. Pero da kwa kare wa tu boda palato chiu no alego ni amine tali ni wa kendo ko dora kakan chiana ko ro kai ro tira ko mate.
Thank you.